VW have done this belt last.
Turn it off. Yeah, that's not good, is it? Here is a 2009 2-litre turbo VW EOS in for a CAMBELT replacement, but with a catch. This engine is very easy to work with enough space to easily access the things that you need to work on. However, this specific car will need some mending, and I kid you not, this job did not go well in any shape or form. So let's get to it. So we have a VW EOS or EOS, whatever you want to call it. The customer has just called it on time, to be fair. Time. As you heard, this one is screaming. The timing belt tensioner, as you can see, it is in a bad state. The belt is very, very thin now as well. So luckily for the owner, he called us straight away. I think it was yesterday when it just started screaming on him, and he said, look, can you do the timing belt for us? So I was just like, yeah, okay, let's do it urgently. He's another subscriber of ours, so we're gonna help him to get this VW EOS, whatever you want to call it, in the right state again. So let's go and get started. Let's get set up. Without further ado, we started removing the stuff that needs to be removed to access the timing belt. If you're doing this job for the first time, know that you will also need to raise the driver's side of the vehicle and clear the wheel arch lining. This will later give you access to the bolt. To access the timing belt, you first have to remove the auxiliary belt, coolant bottle, windscreen washer filler thingy, few coolant and fuel pipes, charcoal canister, and finally the engine mount. This one was not letting go without a fight, and upon removing it, we found something very worrying. Kirby, what's going on, mate?
So this bottom bolt for the engine mount, when I went to go have a look at it, it was sticking out by this much, but it was tight. So it wasn't actually clamping to the
actual block.
Yeah. So, but now it's coming out very slowly and a bit bent. So I'm just trying to work it in and out.
This is when everything started to go wrong with this job. If you think this is all it, keep watching to find out how much of a joke this job is. Unreal. Yeah, that is quite bad, if you can imagine. And this is the bolt that Kirby managed to remove from the engine mount. Absolutely bent and mullered.
It goes opposite like that.
No, I mean, like, yeah, what you've got, the bolt. The bolt is what I'm talking about, John. I'm not talking about anything else, mate.
Yeah, I'm talking about this. Mine bends upwards.
Oh, this one could also bend upwards. Look.
Yeah.
Right. We found another snap bolt, and
yeah, we're good.
And it seems like it came from that piece that goes across over here. So there's a possibility that the other half is still in there. Whoever's done this previous timing belt job has absolutely ignored every single torque settings on the manual and just mounted it with whatever tool we had on hand. Absolutely atrocious. Creepy stuff, man. Damn.
Yeah? And try and pull.
Brother. Wrestling the engine, brother.
That's hogging the engine.
I love VWs.
Oh
yeah,
dear.
these are difficult to get out.
And
Definitely.
as suspected, look at that bolt. If that is bent in there, we're gonna struggle to take it out.
Oh, that's the bottom one.
Ah,
There's one.
the luck you bring.
That's that.
This is
And
the.
where's the snapped one?
The snapped one is right here.
These are the bolts that came out of that thing.
So good one.
Someone's over tightened, or just
Yeah, someone's done a duty job.
If they've cross-threaded this one, they've probably cross-threaded this one, and that's why that's broke.
That snapped. Yeah, you can actually see that it's a little bit. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
God. Well, that's gonna be fun taking this one out. That's gonna be fun. Due to poor workmanship, my customer will need to spend extra money so that we can get this rectified. And it doesn't end there. Okay, so as you can see, that little tensioner has been rubbing on the actual tensioner itself. I mean, the actual engine mount itself. And that is the reason why it's been squealing. Because this one, as you can imagine, this is sitting like so, and it's touching on this engine mount right here. So it's sitting, I can't remember how it sits now, somewhere, but yeah, anyway, it is rubbing on that, and that's why it's been squealing. The bolt that was overly tightened obviously gave up.
Have a look at the bottom pulley as well. Look how much just crap and whatever has fallen down there.
Oh, look at that. No way.
Someone has done a very bad job on this.
Very bad. That's very bad. Oh my days. I don't know how to sort this. That's gonna be, because even if we fit the new belt, same thing will happen again, Kobe. It will rub on the tensioner. Exactly that. Out of the 3 mounting bolts, only one was left to hold the whole engine in place and prevented it from falling off the chassis, which is absolutely insane. As you can see, the state of the belt is nowhere near good. If we were to fit the new belt without mounting the engine properly, the same thing will happen. At this point, we were in a massive Don't know what to do, Kobe. This is gonna take ages.
Yeah, I think the best plan of action is to put it all back together, get it securely with 2 bolts, and then we'll have to return or get that to a machinist.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I think that bolt is going to be a bit bent inside there.
It's not getting any better, is it, mate?
Nah. What next?
Oh, mate, don't.
Yeah.
Alright. Hopefully the next job is nice. That's what I'm saying. Right, so yeah, we're gonna have to drill that out, because have a look at this. So you already know that thing snaps. The rear one doesn't actually hold, and that bottom one, you can see, yeah, right there, that one is actually cross-threaded. Luckily that one is open on the other end, so we can put a nut on the other side. But with this one, it's got no chance. Look at it. So we are forced to drill this out, easy out it, and then go from there, and hopefully it comes out.
How's it going? It's a tough bolt.
Like what Kirby said, tough bolt. This thing doesn't want to budge at all. Not like we're using a blunt drill, but it just wouldn't budge. However, by using our tiny brains, we managed to figure something out.
Lying.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah! Yeah!
Yes.
What a winner.
Nice one.
You love
See
it.
the end of that?
We didn't even drill in. Little screwdriver can do it. You love to see that. Oh, mate.
Have we got the bolt the right size?
No. By using a very basic tool, we managed to extract the bolt without having to drill it out. What an absolute blessing. So, lesson learned. Keep the basic tools in hand. But anyway, our problems didn't end there. Right, what have you found, mate?
Right,
Not
so
another one, is it?
Another one, mate. They've just been using wrong bolts everywhere. This little roller guider here should be a 13.
Yeah.
Which I've got in my hand. See, it says 13.
Yeah.
It's loose. Should be a 13, but I think that's
Did they just mix and match the bolts on
Yeah,
this?
even the tensioner, that's meant to be a 15mm nut. That
Yeah.
was a 13mm nut.
No, I swear to you, it was 12 as well, or some shit.
Oh, they've used some funky kit or something. I don't know.
Yeah. But the thing is, the water pump actually shows VW.
Is it?
Question is, did they change the water pump?
That says
Yeah, that says VW.
VW.
Yeah.
And what's the belt? Is there any markings on the belt?
The belt says... Oh no, VW. The gate says VW.
So
The
VW
gates.
have done this. VW have done this belt last.
Interesting.
Or someone's just used genuine parts.
Good
You don't
point.
want to blame VW.
No, this is not VW job, I don't think. They wouldn't do this. They would follow a sequence. You used to work at dealers,
Yep.
surely. They follow a sequence for this, right?
Yeah.
No gunning it down.
No gunning it down.
Yeah. Woo. Okay. Anyway, time for them to come out now, and obviously got to drain the water pump as well. So let's get to it.
Oh my god!
What?
No,
come on.
This is only meant to be 20 Newton meters. I'm hanging off of it. That weren't 20 Newton meters.
Nah, mate. Yeah, genuine parts, but.
Yeehaw.
Yeah.
John Wayne has fitted this.
This one. Oh god, that's crazy. That. What? That's not the right. No, I swear that's too short as well, isn't it?
This has just come from a random box of bolts.
That's an Asian bolt because that's 12. That's 12 mil.
12. It's not the right bolt.
Yeah.
I said this is not the right bolt.
Yo, what right job did they do on this? What else is not right?
Oh my god.
Oh. Anyway, let's remove the water pump. Let's go.
Yeah, rub it. Rub it nice and good. Stick it in there.
Once the surface is clean, we can finally start putting everything back in place, starting with the water pump and the pulleys. This time, we will be using the right bolts and the right torque settings to ensure that nothing comes loose. We can finally then fit the fresh timing belt in place, set the correct tension on the tensioner, and we're pretty much there. Right, so we've fitted everything now. So you've got the timing belt, the tensioner, the 2 pulleys, the water pump, and obviously we've got the mark. Genuine. Yeah, that's it. It's all there now. So timing belt, water pump, tensioner, and then the 2 pulleys as well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it over clockwise twice at the bottom, and these should line up. So that one should still line up there, and then that, you can just about see the small marker, should line up with that over there as well. So let's go and turn it twice, and that is obviously the tensioner. It's in that little gap that it needs to be in. So let's turn it. We have come a long way from the timing belt looking like this to this. Now that everything is looking spot on, it's finally time to put everything back in place, including the lower timing belt cover, engine mount, charcoal canister, coolant bottle, and the rest of the pipes that we moved aside earlier. Now, the moment of truth. What everyone's afraid of. Will this car even start? Let's find out. Why do you two look so miserable?
Because this job has been a nightmare.
We've only been here 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So everything is back on now. John is just trying to remove the what's it called?
Rubber
bungs for the cover, the beauty cover, airbox, should you say? Yeah, look at that. Look at that beautiful face of his. Oh. God, not suitable for work. Jesus.
Not suitable for children.
Yeah, definitely not. I have to mark this now. Go on, John. Oh yeah.
Bloody hell.
He cracked me up when he was talking to the school kids.
Yeah. I couldn't believe it.
was talking to me.
What was your name? Jeffrey.
My name's Jeff.
Jeffrey
Dahmer.
Oh, don't forget this. Wait. Forget this.
What?
This clip.
Oh, it goes on there.
Yeah. So this is the final piece now, and then we're gonna be cranking it. So, who's gonna do the deed? Is it you or is it Kirby?
Why you guys are nervous?
Whoa. John, did you tighten the crank bolts properly? Yeah, you nipped it down, yeah?
Okay. Ready?
Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh, I'm so nervous, man. Allow this. Alright, go on.
Ready?
Just about. Turn it off.
Go again.
Hey, nice. Oh, running smooth, nice and quiet. Right? Yeah, no, it's alright. It's just for a second anyway. We just needed to make sure. Let's fire now. Let's top this baby up. Let's do it.
Let's get it bled up and sodded up.
Yeah, that's it. We all definitely had enough of this job, so let's top the system up with the correct coolant and deionized water and move on to the next. This is definitely a prime example of a quick job that turns into a 4-hour ordeal. Alright, happy with that curb?
All done, mate.
Yeah?
Good job, well done.
John, happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh look, he's torquing the wheels the way it should be, right? Well done, mate. Yeah. Alright, so that is us all done with this job now. So yeah, we just caught that on time, I would say. Well, the owner caught it on time, didn't it? So as you can see, there is a massive dirt, grime and shaving, metal shaving on the tensioner when we started, and we found out later on that it was obviously hitting the engine mount itself, and that's why it was squealing. And it wasn't 2 bolts, no, it wasn't 1 bolt.
Just 1 bolt.
Yeah, it was running on 1 bolt. That's crazy. That's why the other one is bent, isn't it?
That 1 bolt, it wasn't even in. It was just the mount was just resting on it, and that's why it was bent.
Crazy that. But yeah, whoever's done that is a massive. Yeah. Anyway. But yeah. What did you say? But anyway, yeah, that's us all done now. So if you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe on the channel. Make sure you share it with your friends, and make sure you also like it, because that will help. And make sure to comment down below and follow this guy as well.
Let's get my numbers up.
Yeah, let's get him to 10k.
At least
10k, right? 10K. Yeah, here's his channel right here. I'll leave it right here, or is it here? Wherever, here. Yeah, we'll leave it there.
He told me if you subscribe, I'll give you a free.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like what I said, subscribe to Curbside. There you go. Curbside.
Come on.
There you go. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace. Here we have a VW.
BMW. Yeah.
I just got used to it working on BMWs.